Hello, beautiful people, my viewers, my followers, of course, my sharers, my non-followers who's watching. Welcome if you're new here. So, welcome to my world of beauty. So, today I'm going to share with you. I'm almost done with my makeup. Basically, my face is done and my eyeshadow is not completely finished. So, today I'm going to share with you this one done shadow. I just gonna add what I have in there. So this is the color. This is a multi-chrome. Look at that. Blue green with a hint of gold. So let's apply this on my lid. Since this week is a St. Patrick week, so this is how I should to celebrate. Green, lucky color. Happy St. Patrick, everybody. And that's all, guys, like that. We still have some left. To a little bit in the corner, and then I'm just gonna swipe it because I have to finish with the highlight on the inner part of my eyes, the third drop, like this. What do you guys think? The look, do you like it? I bet you do. I'm gonna use this other one here, just do like that. Isn't it lovely? All right, so I'm gonna finish the bottom. I'm just gonna use the brown. How's everyone doing? It's already Monday, guys. Today it's snowing. I hope it's not a lot of snow. I'm hoping for that. And I'm just gonna add it on the bottom. Let's look at in the mirror. Just a little bit, sparkly. And then I'm going to curl my lashes. So this is it. See that little cutie? This is from Charlotte Tilbury. Look at the packaging, guys. So jewel. My gem. I just curl my lashes. I don't put a mascara because I'm going to work. Okay, so this is a Reaper one. Okay, so there you have it. And my lips is already lined. I'm going to apply a lipstick. Okay, let's go. I have this YSL Shine. Look at that. This is the form of my lips because it's curved. Oops. It's like a coral. They call it like a paper. It's like hot. I forgot the name. But it's too small, guys. I cannot see. Okay? So, that's all for now I can share, and have a great day, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and thanks for watching. Love you all.